Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a very easy and tasty tea time snack, banana fritters, which is very popular in Kerala. Personally, I love this one and I'm sure you would love this. So, let's see what are the ingredients we needed for this and how to make this. Sliced banana, half a cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour, whichever you have, and about a tablespoon of rice flour, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, some cumin seeds, oil to fry, and about a cup of water. The first step is peel and slice the bananas as per your liking. You can slice it into big pieces or small ones. I always like the small and thin ones, so I did it like that. I took a banana and sliced it into thin and small pieces. The next step is we have to make a batter. For that, take a bowl. Into that, add plain flour or all-purpose flour or whichever you have. Into that, add about 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Then 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and some cumin seeds. Now we can make the batter. Add a little water to this and mix it. We need some thick batter for this thing. Again, a little more water. We need about a cup of water for this. Mix it well. And if you need a yellow color one, if you prefer a yellow color banana fry, you can add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to this. I'm not using it now. If you want, you can use a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. That's it. Our batter is ready. It's thick and good. That's it. Our batter is ready. Now, dip the sliced bananas into the batter, one by one. Cover it with the batter. Dip all the banana pieces into this. That's it. That's it. Now we can start fry the bananas. Now heat a pan and put some oil. This oil should be really hot, but not a smoking hot. So the oil is hot now. Now we can put those banana pieces into the oil, one by one. Like that. That's it. Have put all the pieces into the pan and the oil is really hot. The bananas are start getting fried. So we have to deep fry these bananas. So let's wait until it becomes a golden brown color. I think one side has become a golden brown color. Let's see. Yes. One side has become a golden brown color. The other side also should be like that. So we can turn it over. And if you have excess batter, you can put some bread slices into that. And like that. we can make bread fritters also. That too very simple and tasty. So just turn it over. So the other side also should become a golden brown color. We can wait till that. That's it, our banana fritters is ready. Now we can shift this into a plate on which I have placed a tissue paper so that we can drain the excess oil. Shift all pieces. That's it. Our banana fritters is ready now. You can have it with hot tea or coffee. I'm sure that you would love this. If you like this, please do subscribe my channel for more recipes. Thank you.